Hey there, DoorDash drivers. If you want to easily access your Dasher direct card from your Apple Wallet, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to add it step by step. So let's jump in, guys. So, first things first, you want to actually open up the Wallet app on your iPhone, all right? Then, okay, guys, look, if you have never used the app before, it's usually pre-installed on your device, right? Then what you need to do basically, guys, is just tap the plus sign, okay? In the wallet app, look for the plus sign in the upper right corner. This will actually let you add a new card. Then what you need to do, guys, you want to choose a credit or debit card, right? So after tapping the plus sign, you'll see options to add a card, right? Select either credit or debit card. And then you want to actually scan or enter your direct card info. So you can actually use your iPhone's camera to scan your Dasher Direct card or just manually enter the card details, including, things like the card number, expiration date, and CVV code, all right? Then basically, guys, you just want to verify the card, right? So once your card is verified, it will be added to your Apple Wallet. And so you can do things like following the on-screen prompts, which might involve, receiving a verification code via text or email. Then basically, guys, at the end, you just want to complete the process. So once your card is verified, it will actually be added to your Apple Wallet, right? You can now use it for payments directly from your phone. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. And now your Dasher Direct card is ready for use from your Apple Wallet. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next one.